Why is Nigeria? Why is Nigeria frustrated? We heard somebody telling us, if you vote me, I will make sure that Boko Haram goes down before 6 months. I will make sure that the economy of Nigeria is being boosted. I will make sure there is road. Our children return back to school. And we all took those promises at heart. And when they entered, we saw a different thing. We became frustrated. And that's why you see every Nigerian want to travel. An average Nigerian don't want to save his country. Why? Because there's no future for him in our country. But there was a special expectation. There was much expectation. If you want your relationship to last,